and on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing this quick little unboxing of this phone lot that I got off of eBay. I'm going to take a look and see what we have. I am going to open up this box upside down due to my address being on it. So let me see if there's a way I can open this. Here is a Alcatel device. I can't pronounce it. I always hate these devices. For some reason, I just don't like them at all. It's a track phone device. It is, I don't know, I think that's the model number right there. The 205G. I think that's the model number. Looks like it's got water damage on the battery. No power. Let's see, here is a whole bunch of stuff. Empty box. Here's what we got. We got that device. We have this LG track phone device. There it is, back cover. LG 328 BGB. These look to be all GSM devices. No power in it. Here is a, I actually like this one. It's a Kyocera something S3150. And I think Retrocom's got one of these if I remember right. And I seen this and I was like, I gotta get one of these. So, got that one. Here's a UMX. These people were around back when our manufacturer was around, when Altel was around. It's MXC 550. It's got a 3.5mm headphone jack on it though. This little budget phone having all this kind of stuff on it. Pretty decent. Probably no battery in it as well. There is a cracked Samsung SGH T399N. No battery either. And then this, the phone I really wanted was this Crazer K1M. It is cracked, but it is singular. And yeah, these are pretty hard to come by, I'm guessing, because I haven't seen one of these with a singular logo on the back. As you can see, no battery. Should be able to take care of that with no problem. But there's a quick little unboxing, guys. I'll do an update on these ones as well, the other lot that I've got. So stay tuned for the next one.